Couch not sticking the landing on that one, and that's going to give it up to Timmy. Timmy having a really good day at qualifying, and looking like the main event's going out his way as well. Cunningham to 2, Close in 3, Marco at 4, and Couch bringing up the rear. Timmy, on the straight, and getting into the infield with a commanding lead over Nick Couch, now moving up to 2. Cunningham dropping to 3. So Timmy, 16-8, Couch 16-9. Timmy having some trouble with the triple. Looks like Couch had some trouble with the triple. Couldn't really tell. I couldn't see anything on the front section. Couch trouble on the straight. Close up to 2. And that's going to be the closest battle on the track. Between Close and Couch. Meantime, Timmy Linneo kind of checking out of this one. Timmy getting in the infield. Close, not even on the straightaway yet. There you go. Rounding the straightaway right now with Couch right behind. So we'll see what team orders are like between Couch and Timmy. Close goes a little wide, trying to overtake at the triple. And Quick Nick getting into the infield in the second spot. Trying to see if he can stick his head down and go to work. But that's a lot of work and a lot of time to go. 3 minutes remaining. Over 3 minutes. See what happens. Rounding the straightaway, Timmy Linneo. Getting in the infield. Couch not even on the straight yet. Here he comes downstairs. And now on the straight. We are now officially out the halfway mark. 3 and 3 to go. Gap between 1 and 2 is 8.3 seconds. Good trouble with traffic. Cunningham, you got a man behind you. He's on a mission right now. Sorry, Marco. That would be. Third spot is Close, Marco in 4, Cunningham in 5, 2:20 to go. Couch completely scrapped right now, rounding the right sweeper. The gap I mentioned earlier was 8.2. Quick Nick throwing the hammer down. 15.5. 6.4 is the gap right now. 2 minutes remaining. Timmy trying to hang on those 6 seconds. Not a lot of time. One little mistake, one little bobber out of Timmy. Out of the trouble, your leader stuck in the middle. Nick closing in. Gap is looking to be about 3 seconds right now. Timmy rounding the straightaway. Getting in the infield. Nick Couch getting in the infield. 1:15 to go. On the computer, gap is down to 1.6 seconds. Race 3, two-wheel buggy up next. Oh, and there Couch picks it up from last place. Timmy with a great drive, great effort in qualifying today. Not over yet. 30 seconds to go. Alex down the straight. Leo now down the straight. Couch like almost giving it up there. Timmy not too far behind now. We're going to go one more lap. See who keeps it together. Couch looking like he's going to hang on to it, and he does. Everybody finish lap and run. Nick taking the win on